Now that we have a lot of old used iPhones available, the other day I was thinking about buying an iPhone 8 and I contacted someone on eBay and he told me that the battery was at least 80% and that was perfectly fine for regular usage. But 80% of, let's say, 10 hours over here for an iPhone 8 means I'm going to lose maybe 2 hours of battery life or maybe more. And also, so I have a screenshot here of also all the different iPhones that supposedly have for video playback around 11 to 13 hours of playback. And I can honestly say with these two iPhones running at 87% and this other one that's running iPhone 6s that's running 82%, that I get nowhere close to any of these numbers for video playback. And so I don't know if these numbers are really linear in terms of usage. So the question here is, when should I get my battery replaced? I feel like even at 87%, you're talking about some pretty not great performance, but I'm just speaking on behalf of a few phones I've owned. Maybe you can, as a user can tell me if you think your phone is performing in terms of longevity, okay with its current maximum capacity. I really think maybe once it hits something like 87%, it might be time for a battery change. But who knows? Because the battery life is your mileage may vary, because 87% could mean anything, really. But like when I use this iPhone SE, I can barely last the day. And that's not even doing a lot of things. I'm just surfing the internet and texting. And likewise for this 6S at 82%, I probably need to charge it easily within the day. So I would say anywhere from 85% to 90%. If it were me, I would probably change the battery. So meaning if you're going to buy a used iPhone from eBay or something, remember to ask what the maximum capacity is. And if you can get something above 90%, that's great. But around 85% or 87%, that's like the cutoff for me, because you really don't know what kind of battery you're getting around this percentage. It could say 80 something percent, but when you actually use it, like the way I use it with these two phones, I'm really getting much poorer performance than just like 20% drop in performance. So I just wanted to mention that.